Hi there, I'm Kristen Hall. Are you looking for a fast, family-friendly meal option that tastes as good as takeout? These Asian chicken salad bowls are full of flavor and color, and they're ready in about 20 minutes. So let's get started. So there's 4 steps to building these Asian chicken salad bowls. We need to cook our rice noodles, prepare our vegetables and toppings, we need to build our sauce, and then we're gonna build our bowl. So let's get our rice noodles cooked. I've got a package of rice vermicelli noodles, and I'm just gonna follow the directions on the package, which basically says to cook in just warm water. So what I've done is I've boiled some water, as you can see here, and I'm just gonna put that bunch of the noodles in there, and we're gonna let them rehydrate for about 5 minutes. And then we're gonna rinse them with water. Otherwise, if you don't rinse them, they're gonna get clumped together. So we're gonna get that going, and then we're gonna move right to our vegetables. Now we're gonna prepare our vegetables and our toppings. So I've got a couple of carrots here, and I'm gonna throw them through my food processor just to grate them up. You can see how fast that is. That's one of the reasons why I love this kitchen gadget, because it really makes things fast. If you don't have a food processor, you could definitely just use a regular kitchen grater, a box grater. And I'm just gonna put them on my little serving tray. This is one of the things that's so great about bowls, is that everybody gets to put on the toppings that they like and that suits their flavor preferences. So I've got my carrots all done. Next, I'm going to throw in my cucumber through my food processor. You can see how fast that is. That's exactly why I love this kitchen gadget. And again, look at how fast that is. So we've got our cucumbers here. The carrots and the cucumbers are really child-friendly flavors that many kids and adults alike like. You can see that we're keeping all our vegetables raw here. That's going to be a really nice option for the summer to keep the heat out of the kitchen. And the next thing we're going to do is get our red pepper all chopped. You can see that what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slice it. I'm going to keep it nice and just bite-sized pieces so that it's really easy to eat our bowl. Eating more vegetables is one of the most important dietary behaviors that most Canadians could be doing. And what's great about this bowl is that everyone gets to choose what they put into their bowl. You can see how colorful these vegetables are, which means that there's a lot of nutrition and it's very visually appealing. The last part of our bowl that we're going to prepare for the vegetables is get our mint all chopped up. The original recipe called for cilantro, but in our family and in our garden, we have lots of mint. So we're gonna use mint in place of cilantro. You could use cilantro, you could use basil, you could use parsley. Use what you have, but the fresh herb is gonna give that pop of freshness to the overall bowl. Any sauce is a combination of fat, acid, sweet, salt, and we're also gonna add in some heat. So I've got some plain natural peanut butter for the fat. For my acid, we've got some rice wine vinegar. For my sweet, I've got some hoisin sauce. And I've also got a little bit of sugar there that I'm going to add in just to give it a little bit of sweetness. And salt, I've got a lower sodium soy sauce there. I've also got some ginger here, some fresh ginger that I'm just gonna grate in here just to add in that nice Asian style aromatic vegetable in the background. Just add a little bit more in there. And then I've got some heat here. This is gonna be some nice Thai chili sauce there. And I'm gonna mix this all in together until it's nice and smooth. And this is gonna be the sauce for our bowl. We're ready to build our bowl. We're gonna start by taking some of our cooked rice noodles. Ooh, there's lots of them there. I don't need quite that many. I'll take a little bit of that and pop that in our bowl. And now what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of the sauce over top. What this does is it helps to keep the noodles from sticking together. We don't want a big clumpy mess in the end, but it also helps to layer in that flavor from the sauce as well. So you've got the sauce coming in. Next, we're gonna add in some leftover cooked chicken. I cooked some extra planned leftovers with my family, and so I've got some leftover chicken. You could also use some cooked tofu in here if you prefer something more plant-based. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit of my shredded carrot, my shredded cucumber, some of my red peppers here. We're gonna top it with some green onions. I'm gonna put a little bit more sauce over top. A little bit of mint and a little bit of peanuts. I hope your family enjoys this meal as much as I know we will. We'll chat with you soon. Bye for now.